Hello, friends. This is Mrs. Morales with another Scholastic News. This week, we're going to read about a trip to the ice cream factory. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about how ice cream is made in a factory, and we are going to figure out what details in the text support the main idea. In writing, we're going to write steps to how to make an ice cream sundae. Remember, you can watch the video inside an ice cream factory before or after we read the text in our magazine to learn about how ice cream is made. Don't forget to watch Mrs. Farrell's writing video. As we read the text, you're going to see words highlighted in yellow. Remember, those are our vocabulary words for this magazine. Making ice cream. It's sweet, it's cold, it's drippy and yummy. It's ice cream. One ice cream factory makes 1,000 gallons of it a day. But how? A factory is a building where large amounts of things are made very quickly. Let's take a look at how they do it. Ice cream factory. We visited the Ample Hills Ice Cream Factory in New York. We learned how ice cream is made there step by step. Look at the blue box. The headings are the words in blue. Remember that the heading is going to tell me about this section in the text. We are going to find the details that support the main idea. Remember, the main idea is what the text is mostly about. The main idea of this text is how ice cream is made in a factory. Help me read. Add the ingredients. First, workers put milk and cream into a tank. They put eggs and sugar into the tank. They heat up the tank. Heat kills any germs in the mixture. The mixture is liquid. What details from the text support the main idea? Let's see. Workers put ingredients into the tank. The mixture is liquid. Liquid is a state of matter that takes the shape of the container that is in. Ice cream starts out as a liquid. Now let's take a look at the pink box. The heading is in pink letters. Let's find out what details support the main idea of how ice cream is made in a factory. Mix it, cool it. Next, the liquid goes into the ice cream maker. It is freezing. It mixes the liquid, and the liquid turns into solid ice cream. What details from this section support the main idea? The liquid ice cream goes into a freezing ice cream maker. The liquid ice cream turns into solid ice cream. Solid is a state of matter that is firm and has a shape. Ice cream starts out as a liquid and then it turns into a solid. Now let's read the blue box. The heading is in blue letters. Let's find out what details from this part of the text supports the main idea of how ice cream is made in a factory. Chop the cake. Workers put cakes on a moving belt. The ice cream will have bits of cake in it. The cakes move. Blades chop the cake. What details support the main idea? Workers put pieces of cake in the ice cream? Cakes are chopped by blades. Blades are long, sharp parts of a tool or machines. Let's take a look at the purple box. The heading is in purple letters. Let's find out what details from this part of the text support the main idea of how ice cream is made in a factory. Add the cake. Now workers put the bits of cakes into a machine. It puts the cake into the ice cream. What details support the main idea? Workers put cake into a machine, and the machine mixes the cake into the ice cream. Now let's take a look at the green box. The heading are in green letters. Let's find out what details from this part of the text support the main idea of how ice cream is made in the factory. Fill the cartons. Then workers hold ice cream cartons. The ice cream pours into the cartons. Workers also hold big tubs. The big tubs go to ice cream shops. Let's find out what details support the main idea. Workers help fill the ice cream cartons and big tubs. The big tubs go to ice cream shops. Now let's take a look at the orange box. Remember, the heading is in orange letters. Let's find out what details from this part of the text support the main idea of how ice cream is made in a factory. Scoop it out. Finally, the ice cream goes to stores. It goes to ice cream shops. You can buy a cone at an ice cream shop. Yum! Let's find out what details support the main idea. The ice cream is shipped out to stores and ice cream shops. You can now buy and enjoy a cone at an ice cream shop. So now, my friends, it is time for you to show what you know. You can complete the reading checkpoint worksheet. Remember that you can look back in the text to help you answer the questions. In writing, we're going to write how to make an ice cream sundae. Think about, how would you make an ice cream sundae? Well, first thing that we need to get is all of the materials that we need. So you can get the ice cream tub, you can add whatever toppings, you need to get a bowl to put your ice cream in, you need a spoon, and you need an ice cream scooper to scoop out the ice cream from the container. Next, I'm going to scoop the ice cream and I'm going to put it in the bowl. Now, my favorite part. I get to add my favorite toppings. I can add whipped cream, I can add a cherry on top, maybe some sprinkles, maybe a favorite fruit. I love banana split, so I can add a banana to my sundae. And lastly, you're going to get a spoon and eat your ice cream. Enjoy. But wait, you're not done yet. Now you can draw the pictures to show all of the steps to how to make an ice cream sundae. There's a picture of your materials. There's a picture of scooping the ice cream, right? That was something that we did. I love whipped cream. And there is my final sundae, my banana split. I can't wait to see your writing, my friends, and how you make your own sundae and what are some of your favorite toppings. So don't forget to share that with us by sending a picture of your writing. See you next week for another Scholastic News.